right, folks, today on Breakpoint, we're going to show you how to make Alfredo sauce. We'll see you out there. All right, guys, let's get into it. We got our minced garlic, got our heavy whipping cream, our Parmesan cheese, flour. We're going to make some Alfredo sauce for you. So let's get into it. We're going to meet you at the stove. Okay, so now we're letting our pan heat up. You're going to throw some butter in there, and what you're going to do is you're going to throw the garlic in there and just give it a little saute before we add our heavy cream. And once this is all good to go, we'll show you what it looks like, and we'll go ahead and add in the heavy cream. Okay, it's been about 30-40 seconds. Now we're going to go ahead and add our heavy cream to it with our cheese. So we put butter in the pan. Now we're slowly adding the heavy cream so it doesn't curdle. And if you don't like your Alfredo sauce super thick, you can always add the same amount of milk in it. But we're just going to go ahead and use the heavy cream. I'm going to pour the rest of it in. Once that's all in and the butter's mixed in with it, don't want that to fall in. Just take your cheese and just pour it in there. We're going to use all of that because we like cheesy Alfredo sauce. So once this gets melted down a little bit and thickens up, we'll cut it for you, and then we'll be back. So as you can see, the cheese is starting to melt. So what we're going to do is we're going to throw some Italian seasoning on it. Throw in however much you like. I just coat the top kind of well. Doesn't have to be a lot. Go ahead and give it a stir. Once it starts melting, turn your heat down just a tad. That way it doesn't burn the bottom of the sauce to the pan. You don't want that. So obviously not just Italian seasoning. We're going to grab some pepper. Throw that in there. And some salt. You salt your food however you want. You know, I'm not going to tell anybody to over salt it or under salt it. You know, you do you. That's kind of insane to tell someone how to salt their food. So once we get all those spices mixed up, we can throw this bay leaves in. I'm going to put 3 in there. Go ahead and give it another stir. If you need to add more cheese, definitely add more cheese. We might do that here in a sec. But once it starts bubbling a little bit, go ahead and turn it on low. Let it do its thing. Let it cook. And we'll be back. So now I have my flour. I'm just going to sift some right on top. Like I said, we like our Alfredo sauce a little thicker here. Don't like it too thin. So just go ahead and do that while it's simmering. We're going to let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Go ahead and make sure all the flour is mixed in thoroughly. That way it's nice and evenly coated all the way in the sauce, incorporated into it. All right, that should be good. And then we'll be back when the finished product is folks, done. The reason you want to sift the flour before you put it in here is so you don't get clumps. It's not all chunky in the sauce. You won't get like little bundles of flour in there. But like I said, we're going to let this simmer for a couple minutes and we'll be back. Now, folks, this is just a reminder. This is Alfredo sauce. This is not meat sauce or marinara sauce. You want to stay here, watch it, and whisk it occasionally. That way the sauce does not turn lumpy on you. You don't want that. So just make sure to stir it periodically or whisk it. And your sauce will be turning out just fine. All right, folks, our sauce is done. We're going to make some pasta and we'll put it together and plate it up and show you what it looks like. It's nice and creamy. So we got our pasta done. Forgive us, it's not linguine or fettuccine, but you know, shells are always good too because it gets the sauce trapped inside. We love shells here. All right. And now if you want it to look aesthetically pleasing or for presentation, just throw some parsley on top and call it good. We'll show you what it looks like when we take a bite. All right, folks. Now it's time for the taste test. This is the best part of the video. We're going in. You're never going to get any better than this, y'all. We hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to check the links in our description down below. Please let us know in the comments if anything, any type of food you want to see, any requests, we'll make it. And please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. We'll see you next time.